Hello, good morning and welcome to our live Locinox webinar here from our headquarters in Belgium. I'm Tim Jackson. I currently cover the UK market for Locinox. So before we start, just a few things we'd like to go through. If you do have any questions throughout the chat, please send them in via the chat or via the emails. Any questions we can answer, we will do. If not, we'll get back to you after us via the email. All the slides and recordings you will see will be shared after. Again, these will be emailed to yourselves. Any feedback we'd like after also, so we'll be sending out a short survey just to make us better at what we can offer also. Okay, so today's session is going to involve market trends to date, how the market is and what we see, why a Locinox gate closer, why a Lion gate closer, how to install that Lion gate closer, how simple it can be, a few examples we see on the market to date of our line in action. Any questions, if any filtered through, we're happy to answer those, and next steps. Okay, so market trends to date, what we currently see and what I currently see on the field in the UK is a lot of people securing their front doors, whether this being commercial or residential, but neglecting their gate and fence. Here at Locinox, we have those solutions for you. So when securing your gate or your perimeter fence, we have those for you. There's three key elements we like to talk about. Day-to-day basis now, access control and technology is becoming more and more apparent and important. We have three key elements we like to cover. So one, we can control our gate or fence. Two, we can manage this gate or fence. And three, most importantly, we can restrict that gate and fence. With the three key products you can see on the gate currently, we have those features with all three components. The first one being our Locinox lock in conjunction with our electric keep, which will also control, manage, and also restrict the gate. Our gate closer, all fitted to the gate securely. Again, this can be controlled due to the speed and the snaps we offer on our closers. Again, we'll talk about that shortly. And again, we can restrict, control, and also manage our keypad we offer. This is our Slimstone keypad. It's available in 1 or 2 relay, IP68, so again, fully weatherproof. All of our items are fully weatherproof for outdoor use. So this is where you have the reliability of our Locinox products to give you that peace of mind on the field. Okay, so why a Locinox gate closer? There's plenty of features and benefits within our closers. The main feature I like to talk about when out there on the field, it is all hydraulic, 100% maintenance free. We have no gas, no springs within our closers, so no gas can escape, no going back. My little saying to the installer is fit and go, quite simple. Once you've fitted, no need to return. Another key feature we will offer is our 3-year warranty. A lot of our competitors out there will only offer 12 months, 18 months max on some of the closers they do offer. We give you that extra peace of mind by giving you that 3-year warranty. It's vandal proof, so you'll see later on in the clips some of our how we make it, what it's made of. So again, vandal proof. There's a lot of closers out there, especially spring and gas, can be broke due to being less vandal proof. It also gives you silent closing and opening, which is very important as well. And because we are in over 85 different countries, all of our closers are for weatherproof conditions, like we spoke about. So we can withstand temperatures up to -30. So typical country like Russia, and temperatures up to 85 degrees plus, again, being in South Africa, for instance. So this is where we make our best on the market with our closers. Okay, within our closers, we have an actual thermal system. As you can see from the graph on the chart here, we test all our closers thoroughly in-house here in Belgium. We did some tests on our current closers where we reached temperatures up to 40 degrees and it gave a closing time of 15 seconds. This giving it a comfortable, clean finish. Again, comfortable being if you've got wheelchair users, pets, or even children entering and leaving that gate, you won't have no hazards. When testing our current competing brands, which we have all in-house in Belgium, it'll take 10 seconds to close that gate, again, causing hazards, so not quite efficient to use. Again, with our products, you'll have that peace of mind for comfort. Also, within our active thermal system, you can see on the chart here, we have a piston. When the piston gets bigger, when it's hot outside, the oil will get thinner, traveling from A to B sufficiently, so the hydraulics of the closers will still work in hot conditions. When it gets cold within the piston, will get smaller, but the oil will stay thicker. So this, again, rotating throughout B to A to B efficiently, so the hydraulics will still work. Other competing brands with the spring and the gas won't have these added features and benefits. Okay, moving on to our closer itself. We have high performance spring with included in that closer. This being tested 500,000 times. So all of our products will be tested thoroughly in-house. With the torsion spring, it's a great feature for wheelchair users and children if using. So if you do get any projects that are for that need, this is the closer for you. And like I spoke about earlier, it will give you that 3-year warranty, so that peace of mind. Obviously, like I spoke about, all hydraulic, so no gas, no spring, so the gas can't escape. Within our damping mechanism, this is all enclosed. This is where the speed and the final snap is important, which we'll move on to shortly. So again, give you that comfort and that peace of mind you are using the correct closer. Okay, the housing, so the body, fully weatherproof, aluminium powder coated, nothing out there like that. It'll fight all extreme weathers, like we said earlier, being cold or very, very hot. I'll get a typical case in the UK where we fit a lot of these on the seaside, including in their gates. Can it withstand salt sprays off the sea? Yes, this can. Again, we test this all in-house in our chambers in Belgium. So this will sit in a salt chamber, just getting sprayed constantly, day in, day out. And what we found, it does not discolor. So again, giving that clean finish when using it. Okay, so all of our gate openers will give you an opening angle of 180 degrees. We do have a gate closer which will give you a 150 degree opening, this being our Samsung 2 closer. A lot of other gate closers on the market will only give you a 90, 110 opening. So this is the added feature we have within our closers. Again, being child and pet friendly is very important. And again, having the speed and final snap added to the component is another added feature. Okay, with all our closers, you'll see a speed and final snap adjustment, which we'll go into shortly. Again, giving that clean and comfort, peace of mind, knowing that it'll work sufficiently with children, pets, and disabled people with wheelchair access. So for instance, with the speed and the final snap, you may wish to put a bit more snap on if you do have a Locinox keep, just to get over that lip of the keep. If you are using a Locinox mag, you may wish to take the snap off, just to give you that clean, nice finish. Okay, moving on to our ease of installation. So this is our quick fix option we offer on every product, especially on our closers. So simple installation. It's a 15mm fixing. Once fitted to the gate, the fixing will expand, as you can see, once tightened with an Allen key. So another added feature which none of our competing brands will offer. Okay, as spoke about earlier, all of our closers, all of our products are continuously tested to 500,000 movements. This is a current picture of our Belgian plant where it gets tested thoroughly in the heat chamber, the cold chamber, like I said earlier, the salt spraying testing 500,000 times, and each and every single product will get tested before leaving the premises. So again, having that peace of mind, having the brand behind us, that will help you guys. Okay, so we're here to talk about the Lion. So why a Lion gate closer? Okay, our Lion gate closer has plenty of features and benefits. Okay, it'll come with 2 different finishes, so silver or black. Okay, it can withstand gate weights of 75 kilograms, and it's designed for gates 1.1 meter wide. It'll come with 2 rail sets, so that added feature for a 90-degree situation or a 180-degree situation, which we'll talk about shortly. We also have on the market our Verticlose 2 closer, which is designed for slightly heavier gates, being 150 kg and 1.5 meters width. Another key seller for us, but we had a lot of calls, so we redesigned our Lion to get that smaller, snugger fit, which has been a success ever since. Okay, so as I spoke about the rail sets, there's 2 different rail sets. So the 90-degree angle rail set, where the bar can be fitted on top of the rail in conjunction with the typical hinge that you'll see on the market. The 180 situation is a typical pin and eye I'll see a lot of in the UK, where the rail set will just sit below the hinge onto the gate. Again, if you do have any situations out on the field, being the end user, and you're unsure of what gate rail to use or gate closer, please email any questions you do have, and we'll also get back to you on any queries you will have on that. Okay, so we're going to talk to you through now how to install that gate closer, the Lion. Okay, a few simple steps. So what situation are we in? Is it a 90? Is it a 180 situation? Like we spoke about, 2 different hinge types. Again, if you do have a different hinge type, please let us know and we're happy to help. Okay, within all our packaging, included in the closers, you will get a template. This is a sticky back template, which will just stick onto the frame or the gate, making life simple for the end user. This is where you can pre-mount it ready. Again, depending on the situation, you will have 2 types to choose from. Okay, what you do then, you prepare your drilling holes for drilling. So punch them out with your hammer and your punch. You drill your holes, no bigger than 15 mil, like we said on the quick fixes, no thicker than 15 mil. This will go into the frame and we tighten the quick fixes as suited. Okay, also available, we have a Lion VTC drill, another added feature for our products. This is to help the end user installer. This is where the template can be attached or fixed to the gate. You pre-drill your holes ready, so it all includes the feature and benefits we offer within our products. Another good seller for us. Okay, so the body of the closer is where it's very important. You'll see 2 orange caps, top and bottom. Please keep those on. Okay, make sure the arrow on the plastic cap points in the same direction of the gate. Very important feature. Okay, we then mount the gate closer and the rail set, depending on your situation, 90 to 1 angle, whatever suits to your hinge situation. You take off the orange caps now. Okay, you mount the arm of the opening. You open the gate slightly and you set your pre-tension. This is very important, pre-tension. Okay, you take off the orange cap on the bottom. This is where the speed and the final snap we spoke about. Okay, so you adjust your speed to your wishes. So if you have a lot of footfall going through your gate, whether that's commercial, residential, you can adjust that speed to how you wish. Again, disability people, adjust it to how you wish. Adjust the final snap. Again, really important feature for us. Another added feature, take the snap off. If you're using a mag, that's recommended, so it gives a nice clean snap. If you do wish to use a Locinox keep, like I said earlier, please adjust that snap so it gets over the lip of the keep. Okay, and there you have it, job done. Typical Locinox Lion, all included on the gate, in conjunction with our Locinox lock and our Locinox keeper, give you a nice, secure outer perimeter gate. Okay, a few examples in the field, what we typically see to date. Okay, this is a nice black finish, 180-degree situation with a hinge, securing a swimming pool here in Belgium, sorry, this one, yeah, in Belgium. Okay. This is a nice commercial residence in Belgium, I believe, in conjunction with our mag and our 366 pull handle. Nice 90-degree situation there, you can see. Residential property in Belgium here, typical 90-degree again with a hinge and the rail set on top. Okay, let's see if there are any questions. I believe there's a few. Oh, thank you, Olivia. Thank you. A few questions here. Okay, what color finish can you buy the line in? Okay, simple. Like I said earlier, you can get the line in 2 different finishes: silver or black, being 9005. Again, whatever color the gate is, it's nice to have the same color finish closer, so we offer that option. Okay, can you mount a line gate closer onto the gate, onto a wall, sorry? Yes, you can, but typically we have a solution for you. We've recently launched our VertiClose 2 wall situation. So that, again, this is for 180-degree openings. This will give you a slightly different arm to the line, but you can attach the body to the wall. So again, another key feature for us, another good product that we're selling currently. Again, this can be found on our website, Locinox.com, under the gate closer section. Okay, next steps. So like I said earlier, I'm Tim. You can get me at timothy@Locinox.com. Feel free to email me at any time for any queries, any questions, always here to help. You have my colleague Jan, who currently covers a bit of the UK and a lot of our export work here in Belgium. So again, you can get Jan@Locinox.com. And you have our internal sales, Bianca, who's a very important part of our team, Bianca@Locinox.com. Okay, a few additional resources we also offer. So we also have our gate closer brochure available in a PDF form. So again, downloadable through our website. Really important brochure for us, given the feature and benefits of all the closers we offer. Again, please download that if needed. Another great feature we had. And also our line installation video. I can't preach how good the installation videos are, especially for you as the end user or fitter. You can pause it step by step, giving you that peace of mind. You are installing the correct product. You can rewind, you can fast forward, and it'll give you that solution you will need. So another key feature for us. Please look at our videos online. Worldwide references. So you'll find some of our good work out there in the countries we offer. Like I said, we're in 85 different countries. please feel free. If you do have any of your work you like to brag about, any end user stuff, any fitting, please send it in to us. We're happy to send that onto our marketing team, who will then put your references onto our website, another key feature for us. And again, you can continue joining us through our web portals such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. And finally, thank you for joining me on this webinar. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you do have any more questions, please feel free to email them in, and all the slides and the recordings will be sent shortly via the email. Many thanks.